Right, okay, I'm back. We're going to talk about mole calculations today. Let's go straight into an example. So when you see something like this, we have three variables. We use a formula triangle. Now I'm going to draw the formula triangle quickly. So this triangle will help us work out the actual calculation. So n over m equals, so MR, so mass, moles, and molar mass. What does this mean? That's the mass given, number of moles, and the molar mass from the periodic table. So in this situation, we have a mass which equals 22 grams. We are trying to work out the moles, we don't know this, and the molar mass is of CO2. So how do we work out the molar mass? So first of all, look at the periodic table. You have carbon and you have oxygen, the two atoms involved. Now we have 16 and 8. So there's one carbon, so that's 12, plus there's two oxygens here. Okay, so 16 plus 16, this equals 44 grams. So let's put this into the equation. So n, number of moles, equals mass divided by mR, which equals 22 divided by 44, which equals 0.5 moles. Okay, there's the answer. Now I'll just quickly repeat. When you're working out the moles here, when you're using the formula triangle, you hide that. Let's say put your finger over that on the paper, and then you know that mass divided by molar mass will give you the moles. If you're working out the mass itself, put your finger over that over the paper, you multiply n by mR, which will give you the mass. And same with the molar mass, you divide mass by number of moles. Let's have a look at another example. So calculate the mass. So let's draw the formula triangle quickly. We said n equals m over mR. We have the mass, or we need to calculate the mass. We have the moles, and the mR we know is 44. Moles is 2. So mass equals n multiplied by mR. So mass m equals 2 multiplied by 44, which equals 88 grams. That's just a manipulation of the formula triangle. Okay, let's have a look at the last example. So here, let's draw the formula triangle out again. We have n equals m over mR. Now let's have a look at what we got. So we've got moles, which is 10. We have a mass, which is 440. And it's saying, what is the relative formula mass? We know the relative formula mass from the periodic table is 44 grams. Let's see if this is proven correct. So mR will equal mass divided by number of moles. So this equals 440 divided by 10. Now if I take the zeros away, this equals 44 grams, as we already said. So just to recap, all we need to do is remember the formula triangle. In some cases you may be given this in your exam, but it's best to remember this, and from there you can work out any of these variables. Okay guys, see you on the next video.